So, I have always wanted to make a game, and now that I'm a broke college student with finals coming up, I thought it would be the perfect time to start. Oh, and also, this is not really my dream game, but it seems like this is a common title for first devlogs, so I thought I would use it too. Now, onto the game concept. Basically, I want to make a classic 2D couch game or a 2D multiplayer fighting game, and my main inspiration is going to be Towerfall Ascension because I used to play this game with my dad all the time when I was a kid. Um, I want to add several different weapons like guns, swords, and bows, but I also want to draw some inspiration from games like Stick Fight and Nidhogg for the way that they mimic that chaotic game environment feeling, and I want to draw inspiration from Celeste for the way it does such a great movement system. Also, a big thing is I don't want this game to be perfect. I want to create a fun, playable game and put it out there, instead of overcomplicating myself with making a perfect final product. The scope of this game will also be something manageable so that I can finish it while being able to maintain my academics and my job expectations. And finally, please don't expect too much out of it. Though I will try my best at making a very fun and enjoyable game, I am by no means a game expert, and this will be my first time making an actual project, and I will be working with two of my friends, but they are also newbies, so yeah. Now, I'm going to show you some of the things that I've done so far. So the first thing I did is I created a movement script for my little character, and I gave him a jump. I gave him the ability to double jump if I want later in the game. I gave him a dash and particle effects when he changes directions or when he jumps. He can also slide down walls and hold onto them, but I did run into some issues when I was flipping the sprites, so that was when this happened.
Oh shit. Meow.
Basically, the little guy just became like a tornado or something, I don't know. And then when I try to fix that, I run into this other issue.
Oh, whoa, what happened? Wait.
So that is pretty much all I've done for the coding aspect of this. I made some pretty, let's just say, experimental art. Um, yeah. So I made like a gnome. He probably won't be in the game. I made some random like bat looking things. I made the bow. I'm happy with the bow. That's probably gonna be in the game. I don't know how it's gonna go animation wise, but yeah. I also made like some like rip off Mario with a chef hat and a bunch of other like random creatures. Then I made some like random weapons. I made the sword. I'm kind of happy with the sword. I'm not sure though. I made like a little wand and I made a portal looking thing. It also kind of looks like an emerald, but I also made a banner and I'm pretty happy with the banner. There will probably be a lot of those. And that's pretty much all I've done for art. Almost everything here will get changed in some way, and it's a very like rough version since I want to get most of the coding done before I start implementing the art, or maybe that's a bad idea, I don't know yet. But that's pretty much all I've done so far. Also, I know that there's not actually that much content about the game itself, and there's not much to show for it, but I kind of want to just put this devlog out there and hopefully motivate myself to finish this project at some point. Whenever I put the second one out, it will actually have much more to show, and it will have something that looks like a game at least, instead of just a character moving. But this is it for now, I guess. So thank you for watching.